Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete your Instagram call history. So first of all, open Instagram account. Now I'm opening it and tap on the message icon. Select the conversation. Now shown here my video call history. Now I am deleting this, but not shown here to delete option. Click on the profile icon. Tap on three dot. Click on this first option. Now tap on conversation again. Click on delete. Opening conversation again. Okay, now look here, finally deleted my call history. That's how we can easily do it. Hope you are enjoy this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial Reaper channel for more video.